Hello, welcome. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can do communication through CRM against inquiry. Go to main menu. Under the B2B deals, click on deals. Open your deal. In this case, I have created this deal in the previous video. So I will open this. Now, from your deal page, you can manage all the things. You can send and communicate emails, manage tasks and schedules of your deal. You can assign participants and agents to your deal. So first of all, I will show you how you can send mail. Click on this send mail tab, specify the email template, whatever you want to specify. Enter the recipient names here, specify the subject of your deal. In here you can manage, you can type the email body. You can also add attachments in this email by clicking this add attachment. You can also save this template by clicking this save this template. Once done, you just have to click this send email button and your email will be sent to each and every one that you have specified in the email. Now the second thing is manage tasks and schedules. How you can manage tasks and schedules? You can manage tasks and schedule from the add activity tab. Click on this. Now here you can manage all of your stuffs against your deal. If, uh, if if you want to specify, you can specify the activity of call, meeting, task. If you want to assign tasks, you can assign here. You can set the date, whatever the date. You can set the time. You can set the duration. You can type the notes of your tasks or whatever of your meeting. You can also assign the agents, contacts, and once done, you just have to click this save activity button, and your activity will be should be listed here. Now the third thing is to assign participants and agents. So to assign participants, you have to click this add participant button, this plus symbol, and in here you can type the participant name. Currently it didn't show up. So here you can specify the participants and click this add button and your participant will be added. You can add agents also by clicking this symbol again, this time for agents, and you can add the agents for your deals. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you.